Here we are at Pioneer Village car show on a beautiful Monday, holiday Monday. Okay, Pioneer Village Seniors Home car show, and a whole bunch of nice British, that's why. Oh yeah, that'd be fun to drive. And a little MG. Nice color blue. What is this? Green? Oh yes, very nice green. All convertibles, eh? What year do you think that is? They're all like that. Really? Beautiful. A Triumph. That is snazzy, eh? That's very nice. A TR8. Now here's the Queen's car. Wow.
I loved how the this takes also.
That is a beautiful blue. Look where the radio is. You can push the buttons down there. Beautiful. And then there's the lady.
Oh, look at that. These cups. They got strong chassis.
Beautiful red. Look at that stick shift. I think so. You gotta have long arms for that. This is a Hot Wheels car because it's Redline. That is a classic Redline car. Triumph. Huh. That is beautiful. And you gotta love these. You gotta love those tires. Those are undo. Oh, this even tells you the right side and which way to turn the nut. These are kind of like Dayton's. Oh, I love that. Oh, when it's a rainy day, you can't drive that. You gotta drive this. This will take you everywhere, eh? Oh, it's got a moat or a sheep in there. A dancing sheep. British Columbia. Oh, this one's been around the globe. Oh my. That one's for sale. Ooh, this one's got the hood open. It's that little 4-cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4-cylinder. Custom seats. Oh my. That's nice.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. They've been making cars for a long time.
Yeah.
They're still an MG company, but it's in China now, and they're making a lot of electric cars.
Oh, okay. Did you know there's an MGA?
MG what?
A.
No.
This is the MGA, and then came the MGB.
Yeah.
And there's a whole bunch of MGs before it.
Yep.
A whole bunch of MG. Oh, really?
And
How far in the alphabet are they then?
Well, they stopped at the MGB.
Oh, okay.
Well, there was an MGC, which is a 6-cylinder version of this. They didn't make very
Ooh.
many of them.
6.
Yeah, and they also made a V8 version.
Really? Oh
Yeah.
boy. Now, how much does one of these cars weigh? Quarter ton?
About 2,200 pounds.
Oh, okay. That's not
around
much.
a ton.
Oh, yeah.
it's so cool.
Wow.
I did not know that.
They go good.
Oh, I bet. If they go as good as they look, oh, you're a lucky guy.
For the 60s they did, yeah.
Yeah.
For 1960s design, oh yeah.
Need another MG.
Yeah, but
But,
total classic. Very much a classic.
and this one has a custom engine from FabTech in Colorado.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had it custom built.
Nice. Very nice.
It's got chrome rings and they just don't want to see. It's driving me crazy.
Oh, really? An MGA. I never knew there was such a thing. I thought it was just MGBs. Oh, little Austin Minis. A Woody wagon. A little, a mini puppy.
Mini puppy. That's insane.
I remember back in high school days, you would see more, well, obviously you would see more of these then than now, but
Yeah, no, that guy gave me a lot of information about MGs.
yeah. Well, I gotta keep doing the, oh, this guy's on the, on a tour. I wonder if it's Mick. Hey? Look at that. He's even got racing gloves in here too. That is so nice. A 66.
Brand new, exactly.
Look at the moon caps.
Exactly. That's what I would be doing too.
What the heck? This has got to be a new one. A 2000. Well,
Yeah.
22 years old, but hey, it's, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, 2000. Well, it's still 21 years old. Oh, they look too big.
Beautiful. Look at steering wheels on the right hand side. This is a true authentic British car. Hey? That is cool.
What? That's the problem with it. You can't see them outside.
I don't know if I can.
Yeah, they're built for, you know, somebody who's 5'4".
So that's the British Saskatchewan British Car Club years of British motoring. Another Rolls Royce. Look at that. Look at that, all the information on the, like even Cadillacs, I don't know, don't show that much, I don't think, unless the light comes on. But
Some of us are not. Yes,
Hey, don't do that.
where the signal lights are too, eh? And he just opened the door, and bet you anything, I just noticed this, that would be rear wood paneling there. That wouldn't be fake stuff. Not on a Rocks Rolls. What's that? Because the guy let him. Let her in.
certainly. You want to drive or you want to get up with a big gun? Watch your head. If you hit your head, now she's going to be bleeding.
This is like the Rat Patrol. That TV show. Yeah. I used to watch that when I was a kid.
So you stand here, put your bum up here on the tire. She'll never go, it's too slow. Put your bum up here on the tire, grab one of the handles.
Looks like it's got real bullets in it too, don't it?
Grab those handles. Supposed to be.
Very much so.
I just like
We were
you
lucky.
tell me there's MGTR, this and that was in the 30s and in the 40s, and then they went to the MGB or A, and then they went to the MGB. And
I didn't know there was that many different ones. Oh, I never took a picture of this little Mini. Oh, that's a Woody wagon. Look at that. Oh my. Nice. Huh. Not very tall.
Trying to get out of it.
Once you're in it, you can't get out. Exactly.
I know they do sell these on their own.
And that's real wood too.
Yeah. Yeah.
What size are these tires?
We don't sell anything. We have to buy the whole kit. We don't just buy that.
It's all the car you
Those 10-inch tires?
To get in there, but trying to get out would be just roll off.
Actually, it's a lot of room. I have a friend who is like 6.5 foot tall, 300 pounds, and he fits in the one we used to have. I have a picture of him in it. Kind of looks like a sausage in a sardine can. He fits.
No, that is nice.
The new ones, they're quite a lot more roomier yet.
Really?
They look small for their size, but the interior is monsters.
No, they are.
And very frugal on fuel.
Oh God, I bet, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably check the oil more than you check the gas on this.
Equally.
Wow, that's I
These have
can't.
overhead, especially big ones, they have overhead cams in them, so they can actually rev out to 7,000, 8,000 depending on who built up the motor.
Really?
They don't get up there very quickly though, but they do have a lot of RPM stretch.
Oh. No, that's
They're usually
nice.
only a liter size motor or so.
Really?
The fast motor's 1200 plus cc.
Really?
Yeah, they're just tiny.
What is that? 2-cylinder? 1?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Really?
2 SU carbs usually.
Oh, kind
The
of like.
radiator's actually here.
Really?
Yeah, because the motor's right up. Because of the footwell, the motor's right here.
Just take it away.
And all the exhaust and everything is here.
Inline engine? Inline or is it
Yeah,
V?
inline. Side,
Yeah, okay.
side transfer mounted.
Okay.
Front wheel drive. Actually, I think one of the first front wheel drive cars to use that kind of setup. Which was done in the 50s. It was done to get Britain mobile again cheaper in the 50s.
It worked, eh?
That's why the body panels are all externally just spot welded. So they're just crimped pretty much.
Uh-huh. Huh. That's
So there's a company that bought the, I don't know if they're using the original factory, but I know they bought all the molds. Because they really didn't change the body style for like 30 years.
really
And
taken. Okay, there it is.
That's an early Datsuns or this, you know, like.
No, this was an early Datsun. This was only made for half a year. This one.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what year is it?
67. I bought it new when I graduated.
Really?
Oh, really?
That's
Nice.
right. There's the price on it when I bought it.
I want to see that.
Okay. I didn't want to take a picture of that.
But you can't even get a used car for that. A used ugly car. No, that is gorgeous.
2,900?
Right?
Oh my
Back
God.
in 67.
Oh, yeah.
Back in 67, yes, yes. Oh, look at the tail lights, how they're mounted. That is so cool. A Datsun 1600.
1967.
Luggage rack. I should have asked him, is that original paint?
I bet you it is.
Hmm. No, that's sweet, man.
Oh, I found them.
Yeah, very nice. What's that?
I was trying to figure out what that was, but that's when he brings the roots over, right? Or no?
Maybe. I don't know. You'd have to actually see it.
Okay, I guess it's
it is. It's actually the first generation. And they used aeronautical tubes that were a certain thickness, overall diameter, thickness.
brother's project. But this is
And here we have a car all by itself. Alfa Romeo. Isn't that pretty? A wooden steering wheel. Oh my God. Wow. Beautiful. Well, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more. Give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. And we'll see you on the next video, next car show. Bye for now.